This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so awesome to meet with you in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to review all the chords that we've learned so far in the lesson series. So all our open position, major, minor, and dominant seventh chords, as well as the few bar chords that we've learned, which also happen within the first 4 frets of the guitar. And we're going to review these chords by jamming together on some chord progressions that use them. And as we're jamming together on these chord progressions, we're going to have bass and drums accompaniment. So it's going to be super fun. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we'll be on page 94 playing progressions 10 through 22 as we review these chords. And we're just going to use this basic down-up strumming pattern. And we're going to do it in the swing style. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. This is really good for working the right hand, the technical aspect of just that nice strumming hand happening. And it also helps us even with all the more technically challenging chords, strumming patterns that we've learned. So we've learned a lot of strumming patterns so far in the lesson series. We've learned really all the strumming patterns that we're going to cover in the lesson series. As we continue through the lesson series, we're going to learn a whole bunch more chords using the strumming patterns that we've already learned. So we've learned them throughout lessons 1 through 13. We learned a lot of new ones in lesson 14, and then we've just gone through, as we're working through the review part of this lesson, review and further study part of lesson 14, I've introduced even some more strumming patterns. So we've learned so many strumming patterns. Any of those can be practiced with these chord progressions, and it's really great way to practice those strumming patterns. We've used a lot of these chord progressions as we've worked on learning those various strumming patterns. It's also great to just do these chord progressions just to work the chords. So that's what we're going to do here. It'll be super fun. We'll just jam together nice and easy with the down-up strumming pattern, which does help us with our technique, but also lets us just focus on really working on getting these chords down. So each one of these chord progressions is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo, and then a faster tempo will go right in order, and you can just go ahead and do that strumming down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and play these together. Okay, awesome. That completes lesson 14 from the Chords and Harmony book, which is a major accomplishment. We've learned so much about strumming. It's super, super fun. As we continue through the lesson series, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we are going to continue to learn lots and lots of different chords as we go through the book. And we'll continue to use the strumming patterns that we've learned previously. So it's going to be fun. We're going to learn lots more chords. Can't wait to do that with you. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.